Hello everyone, welcome to my first video on basics to programming in JavaScript. I'll be going over some basics to JavaScript in a series of videos to help you guys learn to program in JavaScript. So what is JavaScript? JavaScript is one of the most popular interpretive programming languages in the world, and it's one of the three main technologies used on the World Wide Web, along with HTML and CSS. JavaScript is a very dynamic language and fairly easy to code with, so beginner friendly for the most part. However, don't get JavaScript confused with Java. They're two different languages. So now let's get into JavaScript. The first thing I want to talk about is variable. Variable is used in other programming languages, not just in JavaScript. Variable is an entity that can hold value, also known as data. Each variable can only hold one value at a time. You could think of a variable as a small storage. Now let's talk about variable declaration. This is the process of creating a variable. And the way we create a variable is by using a statement like var, followed by the name of the variable. So notice on the left, we have the keyword var, followed by the name of the variable x. Some other statements that you'll see are let and const. Now let's talk about variable assignment. This is the process of assigning a value to a variable. This is simple. We declare a variable, followed by an equal sign, and then a value that we want to assign this variable. So notice on the left we have var x, which is variable declaration, followed by an equal sign, and in our case we have 5. So now variable x holds a value of 5. Thank you guys for watching, and in the next video I will talk about different data types that we have in JavaScript. In the meantime, if you like the video, don't forget to like the video, and if you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Finally, feel free to leave any questions, comments, or feedbacks in the comment section below. See you guys next time.